All right, we're in a locker room. Pretty cool. No, I'm just joking. So this tub right here is not draining. So the HOA wants us to replace all of this up to the cast iron main here. The water should be off, although I heard someone flush. We're using no hub cast iron today. And should be fun. That's the vent. Wow. No wonder it's not draining. This is what you call an LA trap. They make New York traps where they don't have the union, and the whole P-trap spins when you thread it on. That was hard. That was really hard. That's why I didn't get too many shots, because I really had to focus. But that was not easy. That was not easy at all. I had to take out the hangers. I'm gonna have to come back and and hang this, because, or I could just trim those. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But the only hanger I could really use was this one. And that one right there. That was hard. This is real plumbing for sure. I mean, ABS, I would have been out of here literally 2 hours ago. You got to really make sure your measurements are on, or you'll be wasting time cutting pieces of the cast iron off like this. And you'll also waste these blades. I went through 3 blades. They're done. So, I got the cast iron cutter, but you know, for the little cuts, you can't really use that. That's it. Now I just got to test everything. Their waste and overflow up there is all loose before I even got here, so I bet you that's gonna leak, but they have an access panel upstairs, so. All right.